Its journey around the sun has influenced countless cultures and traditions. Over 2,000 years ago, in what is now Ireland and Northern Europe, the Celts celebrated Samhain, marking the end of harvest and the onset of winter. Science calls it the axial tilt, a key reason for our seasonal changes. Why did days shorten? It's Earth's tilt. As Earth orbits the sun, the Northern Hemisphere tilts away, leading to shorter, colder days. Science calls it the axial tilt, a key reason for our seasonal changes. On Samhain's Eve, the Celts believed the veil between the living and the dead lifted. Ghosts, they thought, returned, affecting crops and seeking vengeance. Druids, Celtic priests, made predictions about the future, guiding people through the cold months. They lit massive sacred bonfires where people gathered, sacrificing crops and animals to Celtic deities. Over time, Roman and Christian influences merged with Samhain. Costumes, feasts, and eventually, the tradition of All Hallows' Eve, or Halloween, evolved. Today, Halloween is a fusion of these ancient rites and modern celebrations, a testament to how our world's scientific realities can intertwine with cultural stories. In the vast tapestry of time and space, Halloween is our unique thread, weaving science, history, and imagination. Thanks for watching.